Ben de PPT'ye vereyim ben. PPT'ye vereyim ben.
In English, okay. Before she introduced me, she forgot to mention that I'm a physics teacher as well as I teach 10 minutes Singapore maths for 5th and 6th graders. She teaches primary school, I teach 5th, 5th and 6th graders. Okay, so the problem, the challenge she met is different than mine because I teach a bit older and more, how can I say, energetic. So in order to, how can I say, to make them to be more, huh? Yes, on my lesson, I use brain gym activity. Do you know about it? How many of you know the brain gym activity? For your brain, okay? So before we begin, we have each lesson, in the beginning of the lesson, I use 3 of them, okay? There are many different types of the brain gym activities, but I pick up like anything, okay? So why do I use them? How do you see? The reason why do I use brain gym activities? That's good. Do you have any other ideas? Icebreakers, problems, good. Critical things, maybe. Wakes them up, yes. What else? Do you have any ideas? Other ideas? As we all know that our brain has 2 hemispheres, right? One is what's better for your creative things. Another one is for logical thinking, right? So we need to wake them up so they work together better, okay? So we have, now I want you to be more active. Help me, okay? Help me out. First, the first one is, use something, how can I say? Index finger and this one? Small finger, yes. Use them, okay? 2 hands. All of them have 2 hands, right? So, right hand should show the index finger, the left one, the little, and then paint them. Okay? Can you do this? Just repeat like 10 times. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you think about this, guys? This example. It wakes up your brain, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Some students are very good at it, okay? Some are not very good at it. But by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to do it. Okay. So this one is the first one. What about the second one? The second one is I personally call them nose and ears activity, okay? Clap once. The first. Two. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. I'll help you to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This really helps in activity your brain. 1, 2, 1, 2. As fast as you can. As fast as you can. 2. Okay. This one is the second one. This takes only 2 seconds. Okay. The first one. So I think all of you got this. We call it walnuts. Okay. So the first one, what I want you to set in your palm, on your palm, and the second one with you like as you're doing food. Okay. Just imagine that you are in a village and you are doing a food. Okay. That's it.
Or you can use the dice. Yes.
Yes. If there is no wallet, I know that. Yeah. You can take this side. So Singapore man distributing this, okay? You can use this as well, okay? It doesn't have to be like walnuts, okay? And then change your hand to it as well.
Не o. Kol motorikasında. Yeah.
So, this one is the first pass, and the second. And now I want to ask to take a photo on the right hand, and then start to rotate. First, close side, and then from the side. 1 minute.
Да, он стала. Почему? Я люблю walnuts.
And then how to get that? Like start with start.
Сингапурская яма.
Only 1 minute. 1 minute is enough. So overall, it will take only 3 to 4 minutes, guys. But it's very important. In the beginning of each lesson, I will this range of activities, okay? And each lesson I will change it. I have like 60 different types of these activities, okay? Okay. Now I just show you only 3 of them. Don't use like more than 3. 3 is enough, okay? Now, how do you clean yourself? Are you good? Okay. Now, I think you're ready. Okay. Next.
Shall we start from the beginning?
Ah.
Sarella wants to start from the beginning. No. It's just.
What?
Видео просто
Yes.
Не видео. Одна? Ну, вот.
Make me to the way.
Да, но ой, Ульяна Потагда. Маған бір қоқын береді.
So this is the most recent activity. So each year we conduct like twice times this science-based activities. Most of the elementary school.
But I love so. Make me to the way. God made me this day.
Думаю, да.
Yes, yeah. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Now I just I want to introduce you with a new methodology which is called Quizlet. Have you heard about the Quizlet? So don't show you.
Вообще,
Okay.
вот почему я люблю
Quizlet
карту.
cards.
Почему совсем?
Quizlet можно?
Сейчас.
Видео просто так покажите, без канвы, без ничего.
Не нашел видео, но нужно вот так. Канва нужно мanje рисовать.
Можно клавиш.
Какие цвета игры?
Bizde taşınız var.
Она в шватру. Я долго думаю.
So before I do any lesson, I just introduce them with the new words, new terminology, the most important words. Okay. So the Quizlet cards, very important. In my class, classroom, students are, some of them are visual, some of them are audio, and they are also connected. So what are the differences between them? The difference they have to sometimes and have children. How they have to hear, listen, yeah. The kids, they have to like practice, yeah. So I think these quicker cards helps all of them at the same time. So the first thing, the first word is percentage, right? So this card
Percentage.
percentage. Okay. If you turn this card on the other side, it shows the translation in Russian or in Tagalog. It depends on you in which language you are making it. And also it shows right? The percentage sign. The second word is fraction. Yeah. Fraction.
Group.
Yes. And also it shows it, right? So it's very easy to prepare it. And also decimal.
Decimal.
Decimal. And in Russian speaking, right? What are the numbers? What is? The number which is on the top, above. The next one is the denominator.
Denominator.
The number which is знаменатель divided by digits. And the last one, equivalent.
Equivalent.
And the last one,
Discount.
what do you think about this word? Add this word. Because I'll show you, okay? Let's show you this. Okay. Now, can you return back to the slides?
Wait.
Slides. Okay. Students can easily go. Students can easily go to this website and open the class. Open the class and memorize the rules. So they can easily go and then prepare on their own. So this is the one of the items advantage of this class. Okay. Now I guess your turn, right?
Yeah. Okay, so our today's topic is to explain the percentage. So first of all, I want to tell the meaning of the percentage. The meaning of the percentage is from the word cent. You know that centenary. You know this word, yes? Cent means 100. So percent means per every 100 parts. Yes. So here is the symbol of percent. And for example, okay, the summer is coming, and what do we want to eat this summer? What do you eat? It's watermelon, right? Watermelon. So let's talk about watermelon. There are a lot of examples that we can take to explain percent. So we know that watermelon is one, yes, it is one circle, it is one cup. But when the watermelon is ripe, if you just click it, it can easily, yes, divide into two. So we know that one whole is 100%, right? Yes, but when we when we divide it, yes. One half, there are two equal halves, right? So it is 1/2, and this is 1/2. And what should we do to find the percent of this? We should divide 100 by 2, right? So if we divide it, we have 50%. Yeah, yes. So we have this type of fraction. Yes. Now, can you tell me what percent will we have if we divide this watermelon into 4? Yes, each quarter is 25%. So here, where are the other examples? Yes. So 1/4. Each part is 25%. So next. Okay. So we can easily show that 1 whole is 100%, and if we divide 1 into 2, we have 50/50, and if we divide it into 4, each part is 25%. So what do we learn from this? That to write a fraction as a percentage, what should we do? We should multiply it by 100. Like I divided by 100 because what? Because fraction is 1/4, not just 4, right? That's why I multiplied. So 100 goes up and it divides into 4, right? Okay. So here are some tips how to easily find the percent. So 50%, you know that it is half of a number. Yes. 25% is, you can explain it as half of 50%. For example, if I tell you, tell me 25% of 600. We'll say it a lot, yes? But if you notice this, that yes, that half of 50%, you know that half of 600 is 300, and half of 300 is 150, right? So it is easier. So 75%, it is, first of all, we find 50% and half of 50%, and we just add them. Yes, it is easier. Okay. What about 10%? 10%, if it's if the number 1 digit is 0, you just erase it. Yes. Okay. What about 5%? You find first 10% because it's easier. So then divide it into 2. Yes. 15%. You find 10% and plus half of 10%. Yes. Okay. 20%, it is twice 10%. Yes. And 30% and 40% and 60%. It's easy to find first 10% and just multiply it by 3, 4, 6, 7, and etc. Yes. Now let's play one game. Here is playground.com. It's the site where you can вы можете игры в полноценный режим поставить. Не везде можно игры поставить в полноценный режим. Здесь очень много разных игр, связанных с математикой. Крылом закой. Нет. Ага, согласитесь. Okay. Here we have a game. It's called Bingo, about percents. So there are 3 levels. There are 3 levels. 3 levels. First is easy, second is medium, and third is a little bit harder. So so let's start from level 1. Okay, you know bingo, yes? If one column or row is end, it's bingo. Okay, so what is 50% of 4, I guess?
We just take this away.
Okay, yes, what is 50% of what? We know that it's 2, yes, because half of 100%, yes? Yes. Next, 50% of 40. 20, right? Half of the number, yes? 20, it is half of numbers. Okay, next. 10. Okay. 10%. You did erase 1 0, yes, at the end. 3, right? 5, 11. You did erase. Yes. So it's 12. Erase 0. You're so smart. 11.
А что если вот такой? А,
This Monica. 60 plus 2, yes?
You guess. One.
Yes, here's
wow.
okay, next level. Second level. Let's try. Okay, third level. Okay, let's try the third level.
They're too smart.
So, 75. What was the tip? What was the tip? To find half and half of that and add them. Yes. So half of 24 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. 12 plus 6. Yes.
И когда мы такое объясняем, вот эти намного легче, да, объяснить? Қанша болды сонымен?
Yes. It's easy. Okay, 14. 50% of what was the tip?
9. It's 9. 9, 9. 9. Ha ha ha, I was first step.
What was the tip? First we'll find 10%, yes? Then we divide it.
Okay.
10% is 14 divided into 2.
17. 1. Wait, 21.
25. What was the tip? To find half and divide it.
10. Да?
We find 10% and multiply by 2. We find 10%. 10% is 7. Multiply by 3.
Қайда мында? А,
21. Yes. 1, 2. Yes. 10% is 10. 5. 10 plus 5 is 10. Yes, so 10% is 30. 15.
17, да? 19, yes?
Okay, 50%. Yeah. It was easy. Yes, if we do the if we remember the tips, right? Okay, good. Yes. Okay, now. Okay, so I invite you now to our members.
Why?
Don't forget to pay for service. That makes sense.
When you want to play with first graders and fourth graders. Yes, we can make order and count the price that you should pay with the price of service.
Why is it 20%? В Шымкенте везде 10%. Что так дорого? Каусар болса бір сәрі.
Order here.
Мен санағым келіп тұрған шығар.
Maybe some volunteers who wants to follow here. We're sorry if you are passing.
Вот сіз потом Каспийге ордайна қойыңыз. Каспийге ордайна қойыңыз.
Неге?
Плати. Потом 10% мне скидывайте, как хозяину. Арайлым ханым, вот это что? Окей. Дұрыс па? Я береміз ба, как попало? Или жинап? Нет, қой керек па? Я, бәрі, екі-екіден потом. Я, потому что кесіліп кеткен ғой. Все, втроечный. Один есть, вот. Да, пишет. Еще как пишет.
What you have ordered and how much
You know what 5% of one number, yes? But now we are adding, and then we have a little bit bigger number.
Вообще 20% қымбат алады екенсіздер сервис. Да, очень дорого. Даже Каусар 10% вперед. Это 15. Арзан ба екен? Жарайды. Кешке ифтарға келейік. Для кого? Не деген сарказм.
Multiply, and then divide, and then try to find the percentages.
Disclaimer, any coincidences are just a coincidence.
Yes, you have to explain.
Мы взяли 4 бургера от Алана по 700, 4 хот-дога по 600 и кофе по 404 штуки на 4. В общей сумме это выходит 6800 плюс 20%. Как вы нам объясняли, мы отчитываем 10%, отнимаем нолик, умножаем на 2, это будет 1460. Тут мы сделали столбик, и выходит это общая сумма.
Классно. Все равно Шымкенте дешевле кушать. Передайте свою петичку, пожалуйста.
Петличку давайте.
Да. Жоқ, можно, по идее, объяснить, что аренда бар, например, да? Это же не только ком-услуга, например. Электричество дорожает.
But I am said that nobody is asking, right?
Everyone.
Order is something.
Да.
Nobody says I'm fasting.
Қазір по той же схеме кофе-брейкқа төлейсіздер.
Это был намек.
Decline 15% if we, yes, if we change, if there is a discount.
А что вы скидки по другим даете?
Yeah, let's try to find.
3600 теңге ғана шықты ма не?
Ораза.
Ұялмай сол кісінің көзінше тамашалап тұр.
Дайын оқытып дейді ол.
Ал, давайте, объясните.
Бір бургер, бір алана бургер и бір хот-дог алдық. Общий қосқанда 3600 теңге шықты. Оның 20%, 10% тауып екіге көбейте салдық. Сонда 3600 қосу 720 теңге.
Таба аласыз ба?
Иә? Машинада. Он процентный талон.
Вот мына жерде классный вопрос. 360 қосылған 180 как мы кубиктармен үйренеміз? С помощью кубиков можно, да?
400
Ага.
и 670
540.
Excellent, thank you.
Вы не хотите в Шымкенте покушать? Да?
Окей,
Хорошо.
все, поели, дальше, да?
Поехали дальше, продолжим.
Адамды қызықтырасыздар.
Yes, now let's go shopping. Мне кажется,
Если анимация минут подымки, другой слайд.
да,
Не
сейчас
слайд,
становится.
а
Презентацию. А, все, без проблем, сейчас открою. Мынау, я? PPT, да, открывать? Вот этот? Ну, давайте вот этот.
Now, those of you who are fasting, those of you who are fasting,
Петличка сіздерде ет қалды.
those of you who are fasting, now, let's take something. So this time, in the beginning of the lesson, we have taught you the word discount, and I thank you, I told you that we will refer to this word, right? So discount, what does discount mean? Discount, discount, yes. Do you like discount? Okay, we all know that from time to time, some of our large shops, they are holding a promotion. Okay, now, could you please go to the next slide? And then, yes, so we have this item. The first item is a bag, yes. What is the, what can I say, brand? What's the brand of the bag? Gucci. Okay, so what is the old price of this Gucci? 300,000. Really? Wow. Okay. So, what is the discount for this bag, guys? I want all of your attention on me, guys. 10%. So What's the new price? Let's guess. What's the new price? Okay, let's go step by step. Okay. So what's the amount which is deduced from this price? 10%. That's we just take out 1 euro, right? That would be how much? 40,000. Yes. And then it would be minus 30,000, and it will be how much? 270,000, right? How much the second item?
Just a second. Next one. Hazır. Basılmaya çalışıyorum.
Okay, the new price is 270. How about the second one?
Я, он этот,
So 20% off, which means 2 times 10%, right? So the new price is 120,000. Okay, how about the next one? A suitable jumper, right? So what's the whole price? 100,000. And what's the discount? 15. That's 10 and 12. What is the mistake of 100,000? 10,000. Minus and that's 15,000. So what's the new price? 85,000. Yes. And this the old price is 30,000 and 25 has quarter, right? So what's the new price? That's 25, that's half of half, right? Half of half. What's the half of 30,000? 16 and half of half? I mean 7,500, right? So 30,000 minus 7,500. 22.5. So, at discount, you have to be good. Yeah? Because that's something we need in our real life. Okay, that's what we have to explain to our students. Okay, now, I want to show you these two items. Okay, these two items. By the way, these are our students' uniforms. Okay. So let's pretend they are identical, okay? Identical. They're same. And you want to buy this to your children, I don't know, to someone else. So what's the price of this? 2,500 or 25,000. Wow, it's pretty expensive. They're very fun. Very good fun. And how about this? 30,000. What's the discount for this item? Let's pretend, I know that it's very difficult to imagine that you're short of money. Okay? Just pretend, imagine you're short of money and you have to buy the one which is economically beneficial for you. Okay? So, which one would you buy? This one? Why not this one? Which one would cost you less? Which one would cost you less, this or this? If you are good at maths, you would solve it. Yeah, very good. How about this? This one, you will buy this one. Why? Because it's expensive. That's why you're. But in the beginning, I told you, like, it's very difficult to imagine. Just imagine that you are short of money. I know it's very difficult for you. You want to buy the one which is less, which costs less, not the expensive one. Which one is cheaper? This one is cheaper than this one. Yeah. Okay. Could you please go to the board and solve it for us? Математика у нас это универсальный язык. You don't have to like know English or some other language. You see that people use the same maths as we do, but their approach is different. Okay? Кто там уверен, что так вот? Okay. Could you please show the new price for this one? Just show the new price. Давайте второму. Окей. Не, осталось. Кто еще выйдет второй? Вы. Хорошо. Let's check. Let's check. How do you check it?
But,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, she was correct. This now costs how much? 20,000. Yes.
The first one is cheaper than the second.
What about the second one?
21,000. 21.
So which one is cheaper?
The first one.
Okay, the first one, second one. I don't know which one is the first one, which one is the second one, but okay. So some of you might think that. Some of you might think that. Wow, this one has like more discount, then this costs less. Not all the time. Okay. The first price plays a big role. Okay. So 30% discount not always means that it costs less than the which costs 20%. Okay. I think everyone get this one, right? Thank you for your attention. Ah. Okay. Have you heard about Caspi deposit? This is another real life problem? No, yes. I know that most of you are not agree with the deposit. Unacceptable, maybe. Okay, but I have to explain you how does it work. Okay, so if you invest 100,000 per year, at your interest rate would be like 10% each year. So if you increase it, after 3 years, how much is it get? How much? 130,000. Okay, do you have another? Okay, let's add one more thing. You have a negotiation fund each year. In the beginning of the year, you have a new negotiation. So, give me correct answer to get this 3 seconds.
130 же. 130, я знаю. 130. А, не, подожди. Так, 110 через идея 110 плюс 11, 121, 121 плюс 21 2 бөлсем қанша болады? 15. 21 қосылған 21 қосылған 2 134 да? 134 500. 134 100. 134 500, смотрите. 134.
Okay. You please, could you go to the board and solve şu tahta tam есть решение. Давайте. Yes. Come to the board and show us how do you solve.
От этого будет у нас 110 тысяч. Потом от этого 10% это 11 тысяч, будет 121 тысяча. Верно? И от этого это у нас 12 штук прибавляем, будет 130. Двенадцать 100. Да.
Логика правильная, сейчас проверим.
Проверяй. Нет, почему?
Да.
Да. Next time?
Окей.
Проверь.
Да.
А, close.
Now, the first year, at the end of the year, you will have how much money? 110,000, right? As it was expected. But the next year, you invest not 100, but 110,000. Okay? So, 10% out of 110, it will be 11,000, not 10,000. Next year, you will earn how much money? 11,000. But it would be how much? 121. But so it's like we take out your money and then invest again. So next, in the beginning of the third year, you invest not 100, not 110, but 121,000. And 10% out of 121, it would be, we just take out zero. Okay? It would be 12.1, right? And it would be 133.1 thousand. Good. So, in the beginning, you told me like 130,000.
Что он здесь?
So which one is more? Is that right? So, is it different? Maybe it's 3.1,000 is not very much money, but if you not much money, but if you like invest, let's say not 120, but 10 million. Yes, the amount will be very huge.
But if you invest in the stock, you are going to get more.
Something we have to know, right?
Видите?
Investment.
Что-то не так.
Investment. So what is that investment in our life? Knowledge, education.
Точно не Каспий.
Yes, yeah. Maybe Singapore match, I don't know. Yes, people think that Singapore match is the best, like one of the best, what can you say? Investment, yes. I will, Thank you. Our example, we like.
Все время интересно. Все время.
Next
А, я.
game, we call it
А,
dominoes.
What about?
Ah,
Как?
I have one more speech for you. How many of you have a background on math? Like, many of you know, like, math very well, right? Yeah. So now I would like to teach you a tip, okay? So this is we call it this is commutative property of percentage. So what is the 48% of 50? Can you solve on your mind? If you are good at math, don't like but what happens at 50 is what happens. Now I will show you. 24. Don't use pencil. Okay? You don't pencil. I will show you how calculate it on your mind. Good. So we get multiply one divide by 100. We get 1% out of it, and multiply by 50, right? You did just this on your paper, right? So can I change 48 and 50? If we change the places, nothing will change, right? 5 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 5, we get 15 anyways. So if I change them, so will it mean that 50% of 48? Okay. So what is the half of 48? 24. Good. That's like pretty cool, right? The next example. How about 44% out of 150? Don't use And if it's like, don't use maximum. Good. We apply the same thing and change them, the places, 44 and 150. That's 150% out of 44. 150% от 44. Это сколько? That's 1 whole and a half. Вот, блин, вот вы можете чуть не спустить, пожалуйста?
Білмедім.
That's all of it and half of it. What's all of it? That's 44. And what's the half of it? 22. And we'll get how much? 66. Yes. Now, today you've learned something new. Not most of you, that half of it. Okay. Okay. Next thing. So try on your own. Now you can use your pencil, or you cannot. I mean, you don't have to use. So what is the first one? What? 26% of 50, that's 50% of 26. Yes.
Just change.
Got it. How about the second? 60% of 250, that's 250. Like, these are all of it and multiply by 2 and then half of it. 150. We cannot check it because there is no answer. But thank you for your attention. Now, me and my colleague, we have to show you one more method. We call it domino. You know what? When I first took this class, like 5, 6, and 6 grades, I faced a challenge. There was very lack of concentration. They were very happy. Okay? In the beginning of the time. I applied this method so that they don't know that someone is asking a question. They don't know the answer. Who has the answer? So anyone, anytime they can get the answer. Okay? So basically, you have a piece of paper. On the left side, you have a question to your friend. On the right side, there's the answer. Okay? So you have to be very, what do you say? You have to take
Канву?
Да.
Почему?
В Canva по щелчку не работают вот эти анимации.
Ага.
Ну, может, есть.
Жоқ, мынаны ары қарай соны істемесе болмай ма не?
Все здесь, она кончилась. Canva надо. Здесь нет слайда.
Все понял.
Кімнен бастаймыз? Без разницы, да? Там без разницы. Еще.
Вы камеру перекрываете. Только осторожно. Какой?
Да.
Это сейчас у Санжара. Сейчас я отправлю.
On the left, you have the question. On the left, you have the answer. But not the answer of this question. You know? So, one child, yes, he reads the question, and the one who has the answer, raise your hand, yes, and he gets his answer and continue to read the question. Okay? You continue to answer. If you have answer, you answer, raise your hand, answer, and here you have the questions. You ask it. And another one who have the answer, give it his pen and answer. And continue ask the question.
Все должны быть внимательны, а вдруг у вас ответ. You have to be super silent. I listen to them. Okay?
90% of 40. 90% 40. Ну, что сам порядок?
Надо супер внимательно надо. Иначе не получится. Так, дальше читайте. Вот эти моменты.
Вот здесь вы можете поменять местами, да? Использовать вот. Вот видите, это равно 90%.
That's 50% from 60.
У кого? У вас?
Не процентов, 30. 130 долларов.
У нас будет
Арайлым ханым, Арайлым ханым, Арайлым ханым, Арайлым ханым, Арайлым ханым. Все. Все. Мне интересно, аж, да. Самого она не поняли же. Так, меня слышно?
Так, методику все поняли? Все ли ее будете использовать, зависит от вас. Обычно ее используют где? И это понятно? Обычно в конце урока каждый часа объясняется, и потом оценивать, да? И все должны быть супер внимательны, иначе, если они не найдут, то если у вас окажется отдел, и вы его время ответите, допустим, у вас баллы, да, это используется метод именно в тех классах, где дети не послушны, да, можно по-быстрому вот так. И еще где используют в начале урока, для того, чтобы проверить домашку. Вы все знаете, что дети пишут домашку. А потом для учителей по математике очень сложно подходить к каждому проверить, потому что литературно проверять это все время, энергия. А так по-быстрому можете проверить детей еще на внимательность. То есть все дети решают ваш вопрос, все решают, потом смотрят не у него. То есть одновременно, то есть сколько в классе можно вот по-быстрому проверить, да, это очень хороший метод. Возьмите на вооружение, не частенько ее используйте. Не каждый день, конечно. Тогда там, ну, есть...
Можно раздать шарики, кто ответил уже, он у нас на один шарик, учить шарики, да? Эффект домино.
Что, ничего не шарик? Еще не нравится. Спасибо за внимание.